All right, folks, today I'm going to show you how to create a image for yourself on Zoom so that if you were to turn your camera off, there would be an image there. So the first thing you're going to do is go to zoom.us. And if you don't have a Zoom account, please create one. I'm going to go to my account, but if you needed to, you could click sign up for free. And obviously it's not letting me sign up for free because I already have an account, but you're going to use your school username at carlislestudents.org and create an account. Once you have done that and created your account, you're going to go to profile here on the left hand side. And you can see I have a little Bitmoji picture of me as my image. Yours will be blank automatically. So you can hit change and you can decide, I want mine to kind of cover the whole thing, so you can decide what picture you want. And if you go to upload, it will take you to your pictures or to your desktop, and you can upload a picture of yourself. You can upload a little Bitmoji cartoon like this. If you don't want to use a picture of yourself, you can upload a picture of your dog, anything that's school appropriate. But I'd really like you to have an image there so that if you decide not to turn your camera on for any reason, which is perfectly normal and totally fine with me, there is an image there if you turn your camera off. So that is how you do that.